Hi everyone. To automatically pull the crypto fear and greed index to Google Sheets, you will need to scrap the data from any website and send it directly to your spreadsheet. This can be done using a simple script that takes the data and updates to your Google Sheets. So, first step would be choose any fear and greed index website. I used this one. It's called alternative.me and it provides the up-to-date fear and greed index for the crypto market. So currently we are sitting at 50 and so all you need to do for pulling this information to your Google Sheet, you will have to separate it like this, the site and then the X path. So you copy the website, it's called this one. The next step would be you click on inspect, choose the part where it's holding the current value, click on copy XPath, paste it in here, and then you choose in Google Sheets the function called import XML, and pulling all together looks like this. So use import XML, then the site, and last but not least the XPath. Keep in mind that you have to replace the semicolon, not the semicolons, but the apostrophe with this one, and then you're good to go. As you can see, I get the current crypto fear and greed index. If you have any questions to it, just write me a comment. I hope that makes your trading easier, and I'm looking forward for your next question. Bye bye.